Welcome to Expat Choice TV. I'm your host, John Gordon, and today I'm with Pav, a great mate of mine from Melbourne, Australia, who has this wonderful restaurant called FirePit, which is located at 69 Kampong, Baru, close to Everton Park, Spottiswood, behind Tanjong Pagar. Pav, tell us about your concept, mate.
Mate, what to tell you? We built an oven, we cook amazing food in it. You guys should try it out.
Let's go to the kitchen and take a look.
First up on the menu, the Moroccan lamb stew. Poached eggs in onion-based spiced stew with pulled wood-fire smoked lamb, eggplant, roasted peppers, and served with wood-fired crispy sourdough. A savoury sweet sensation, the French toasty. Perfectly crisp French sourdough toast laid with cream cheese and freshly whipped fig jam and fresh fruits. Singapore's first restaurant to cook with an open fire pit. Experience the unforgettable taste that comes from cooking by an open fire. You've got your favourite bowls, sourdough breads, wood-fired pizza and coffees. They can all be delivered, but please pop in and maybe meet Pav, the owner-operator of FirePit.
There you have it, an exclusive experience at FirePit here at 69 Kampong, Baru. This is John Gordon reporting for Expat Choice TV.